SPS is the vehicle to help you kind of fill gaps where you think you have them through relationship, through scholarship, through professional development workshops. We are a society that will ensure, right, through our work together, that you will have the building blocks to becoming that which you are dreaming to become. And we might not give you that answer or the exact dollar amount or, or tell you exactly how to do it, but we will provide those three vehicles for you to be able to do it. We'll provide a bunch of fora where you can talk about what you know, and then we will provide opportunities for you to grow so that you can be empowered to look for everything else you need to achieve that full potential. Wherever there is a discussion about the future of undergraduate education or undergraduate engagement, my vision and my mission is to have a student there. You can just be an SPS member and you're already serving, because SPS thrives on service, right? Through outreach, through encouragement of your peers. I think my message is, you don't have to be a physicist or a physical scientist. This is just a place for you to realize your full potential, or at least a place where you will have some tools that you can gather in life to realize that full potential.
I am SPS.
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 I am SPS.